Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide notification on WhatsApp status business like. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp is expanding the status feature with two major updates like status allow user to privately show appreciation for status with a heart emoji, while private mention enable user to tag specific contact in their status update. And when someone likes our status on our WhatsApp business, we'll get notification that person has liked our status. And now, what if you don't want to get that notification on our WhatsApp business? It's so simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp business. Now, you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here, tap on settings, tap on notification. You can scroll down and you can find on the status section, there is an option reaction, show notification when you get likes on the status. You can just turn off this feature by tap on the toggle on here. So now, when people likes our status, we will not get the notification that they like our status. I will show you, here's my status and I will try to like from my other account. We like it. And now as you can see, I don't get the likes reaction. It's so simple, right? So that is how to hide notification likes on WhatsApp business status. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.